How to delete story on TikTok. So basically, if you want to delete stories on TikTok, it is very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the TikTok application. Once you launch the TikTok app, this is the type of interface you will see. Now let's say I have happened to upload a certain story, right? I can simply view them by coming to my profile icon, and here you can see my profile is highlighted in blue circle, so it means that I have added a certain story. So all I need to do is I need to just tap on that story right here and just look for the three dots option right there. So I can just tap on it, and then right here, so let me just go to that story. So I'll just select that particular story. I can tap on the share option, and here you can see this option called delete, which is in the trash icon. So I can just tap on the trash option right there. It will actually ask me for a confirmation if I want to really delete it. So I can delete and re-edit, but I can just hit the delete button on it to completely delete the story on TikTok. And this way I'll be able to delete the story on TikTok. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.